Alright, so boom, welcome to another vid. And right now, this is my first day of school of our second semester. And it sucks because I just have 2 hours of sleep. And when I try to go back to sleep, gang, I can't do it anymore. So I just decided to go out and grab some eats. And right now, as you can see in my eyes, I'm so cooked, bro. And right now, I'm just drinking some black coffee because, trying to up my energy. Even though I just have 2 hours of sleep. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna see you guys on our school. You feel me? Alright, so this is my outfit for the day. Like, gang, I'm like going on a date or something, but you know what I'm saying? I just wanna step up my feet. Alright, so we're in the market right now, and I'm just looking for good setup on Doge and Gold right here. So I'm just gonna let you know if I find some good setup. Alright, boom. So we are in on the Doge USDT pair. So the reason why I took this trade because there's a equilibrium right there, and I see some bullish momentum, and the price taps on the discount price. And right now I'm targeting the previous session's highs, and let's see if I will take a profit on this. This is a 1:3 ratio, so I hope I can take this profit right here. Alright gang, so the price just consolidating right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so fucking sleepy. It's 1 in the morning right now here in Philippines. So I'm gonna update y'all guys tomorrow. For the gold, bro, I missed the falling entry, bro. There's a fair value gap right here, and I missed it. It taps in the fair value gap and then rallies, bro. I missed that fucking trade right there, but you feel what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm gonna see y'all guys tomorrow. So, no, I'm gonna see y'all guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna have an update for you guys about this trade on Doge right here. But I will upload on a new video again tomorrow, hopefully though. So, peace out. Alright, so boom, we hit the TP, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a trade recap about this. So why I took this trade, because it's a bullish momentum right here, and as you can see, that's a break of structure to the upside. But to be honest though, I didn't catch this trade right here. But if I catch this trade, maybe I'll take more bread than this. But it is what it is. Yeah, let's get into it. So I just mark out some equilibrium right here, and the price taps into that discount. Luckily we didn't stop out right here. We almost stopped out, but thankfully we have some inverse right here, and the price go rallies and hit the TP. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.